And I can't wait until somebody uses that phrase out of context in a mashup video. I want to show you a clip from my Amelia Island day where I got to meet Freddie Tavarish Hernandez, Tavarish on Jalopnik, as well as his extra thick and girthy YouTube channel, and he also let me drive a pretty famous YouTuber. 10 years later, this Aston could easily pass for a new pass. Pretty impressive, especially considering you can pick up this extra thick and girthy exotic looking ass for 30% or less than its original price. Well, happy holidays from Hoover's Garage. It is freezing cold outside, and I'm going to tell my girlfriend on autotrader.com, which leaks all over my driveway, and I really don't like looking at her. We have gas with the mass airflow meter disconnected. It actually runs decently. So now, your first drive, just go for a cruise. So what do you think? What are your first impressions? Fucking thing sucks!
It's running?
Yes. Make a right. Go on the highway and go fast.
Okay.
Go ahead and floor it. It's warmed up.
Johnny County, Kansas. A stolen vehicle rockets down the freeway. This Bavarian-built hot rod barrels past traffic at mind-boggling speeds. 125 miles an hour.
Numerous lane change violations.
Deputies' LT1 Camaro has the muscle to match the European racing car move for move.
This person seemed like somebody who had his mindset on one thing, and that was getting away at all costs, no matter who was in danger.
The deputy pulls even. What happens next is terrifying.